How to block a contact on Imo. In this video, I will be showing you how can you block a contact on Imo easily. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Imo application on your device and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface or all of the chats over here. So as a further process, you need to first select the contact to whom you want to delete. You have to simply select and open up the chat. Once you open up, you will be able to see the display name of the person at the right section of the screen. Simply tap over the name and you will be able to see the three dotted horizontal line at the right upper corner. Simply tap over there and you will be able to see the block option at the bottom. Simply tap on the block and you will be further asked whether you want to block that person or not. You have to simply go for block and you can see the person has been blocked and chat has been disappeared from over here. So this is how you block a contact on Imo. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.